Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a hyperlink in a Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document firstly, then you show the Excel sheets is the insert hyperlink. Firstly, keyboard press from the Ctrl K. Keyboard press from the Ctrl K. Now click for the place in this document option. Now type the cell reference. Now A10. Now for OK. That's OK. Then again another text hyperlink. Now Control K. Press on the A10. Now for OK. That's OK. Hyperlink is the another's. Control K. Then you show the insert hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my